Hi, my name is Zoltán Somodi. I am working for Lightware as a product manager and I am responsible for the cable product portfolio. Our product portfolio contains HDMI, USB-C and converter cables. We are focusing mainly on the USB-C cables, especially from 1 meter to 10 meters. We have copper cables from 1 meter to 5 meter, and the specialty of these cables is to transfer 100 watt charging as well as the USB super speed lanes. We have 8 and 10 meters USB-C active optical cables, which is capable for charging on 60 watt as well. It's very unique, I think, in the market. Besides the USB-C product line, we have an HDMI product line from 0 to 60 centimeter till 15 meter. It contains both copper and active optical cables as well. We are trying to covering the portfolio with copper cables, which are very slim, and of course with active optical cables on the long run. In the USB-C product line, we have a quite new cable released in December, which is a 3 meter 100 watt cable, which has a special coating we just increased based on the customer feedbacks, and it's more robust and reliable. We increased the coating of the connector as well to reach higher stability and more mating cycle. And this will be followed by the 5 and 4 meter 100 watt cables as well in the end of the first quarter. This will be let's say, the professional industrial cable in the portfolio. In our HDMI portfolio, we have 7 and 9 meter passive cables. These are capable for 4K 60 444 transfer. And this was a request from our field, the customers, to have a non-optical, that means a cheaper cable in the 9 meter length that is capable for this 4K 60 444. And we just fulfilled this request in the very past, maybe in last November, and it can be purchased by now on our website. I just talked about the USB-C active optical cables before. A few mentions about it. This cable was released in the last year, in the third quarter, and this cable has an improvement compared to the previous one, and that is the tier level. These cables, these new AOC cables, adding only one tier to the USB topology, and that is an improvement compared to the previous one, which is adding 2 layers. This can help the integrators in very much way, because in several cases when you are using a Taurus or a MacBook or a cable, you can reach the maximum 7 tier level on the USB topology, and this cable helps to add only 1. This is quite an improvement. I just joined to Lightware in the last year, and we put together a vision on the cable product portfolio together with the cable specialist team, and we try to figure out what the customer wants from us and what would be the vision this product portfolio. The first vision what we identified is to create cables and design cables which is perfectly fit to the Lightware product. So we are selling and introducing cables for our other products. That means maybe we will have not a big assortment in the next few years, but we will support our products with cables. This is our first, let's say, most important visions. That means as well to integrating this into our systems and testing those cables. That means we have a big bunch of integration tests, which is, let's say, covering the most situation where we can use these cables in real-life scenarios, real-life systems. Our second vision statement is to have our cables compliant. That means we are working on having more detailed data sheets for our cables to become more compliant, to grant all the compliance requirements for all the projects, especially in the enterprise business and the government business, and that helps the integrator community to win more projects. Besides these 2 statements, we are working on the design of our products. That means we just not buying these products from our suppliers, but designing, both in electrical way and both in mechanical and design way. We try to improve our cables, and that means we are requesting changes from the supplier. For example, on the copper side, the insulation side, the the used PCBs and used chipsets, we try to design the best cables for our products. Besides our cable products, we have a new cable sock part product, which is the cable pop-up. This is here in my hand. It is in an open state now. We designed this cable pop-up to manage the cables on the table. This one is a very easy to use, very simple mechanical product. So we didn't want to, let's say, make it too difficult to use and keep the price on low level, but it's really fancy design and very easy to use, and it's very clean. So if you are going to a meeting room and just see this one with the Lightware logo, this will contains only one USB-C, which is, as you know in the Lightware products, support all other functions like network, video, audio, and data transfer. So this product will be released in our second quarter, and the prototype can be seen here in the ISE 2025. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for visiting us in the ISE 2025 in our booth. And I am looking forward for any product idea and room for improvement from you. Thank you very much.